Friends, today I'll talk about Amazon Q, which is a AI assistant tool in AWS, which is very useful for different analysis in your AWS account. Uh, One of the best thing that so far I have experienced using this tool is cost optimization. So I always keep a watch on my cost. So usually what practice I do, I do my R&D, and then post doing that I delete the resources if not required. If it is paid, then certainly I'll delete, or I'll have that in my Terraform, some infra ready. But yeah, I mean, usually I delete my uh, resources, whatever I allocate over here. So today I'm going to show that how this can be useful in your cost analysis and different, like say, and different other configurations that you want. So you can see here, like you can click over here that Amazon Q you can see, and here easily it comes. So I can show you here. You can expand this. And what I did today, that I purposely created two load balancers and few to EC2, and but I did not attach the load balancer to the EC2 for the traffic routing and all, right? And then just wanted to know the idea that how it is helping me to identify that is there an unused resource I'm using in AWS. And see, if you go through the chat, it will be helpful. It will help you to find out like what is going on over here. It helped me in finding like which are the instances, which are the you can see here, which are the load balancers are not useful, because those two load balancer I created, and I was not using it. So you can see here like 16 to 18 per dollar per month I'm going to pay extra also. So it is forecasting as well, like this much usually for a month I'll be paying. So I don't know why it is telling paying, but yeah, fine. When it might have seen my certain configuration, based on that it is telling that it is it forecasted like this much amount I need to pay. So following that, you can see here like I'm just confirming like I want to delete these load balancers. So it helped me in that as well, like for this particular reason, which all you can load balancers you can delete. Not only that, I I took help of monthly analysis of this of my account, like for the based on the last usage pattern, uh, how much monthly cost AWS is predicting for me. So these all predictions, see, you can it did for me. Yeah. So use it for your cost analysis and various other configurations that you're doing. If you are facing some issues in configurations, you can use it. It is very useful, and hopefully you like the this tool. It's amazing. Okay, in so many uh, so many of the analysis. Earlier I used to take help of internet or some friends or so in some configurations. So it's really very helpful. uh, in next video I'll talk about Canasis and SageMaker AI. There are certain configurations that I was facing issues, and their Amazon Q helped me. So that's all I that wanted to share with you today, friends. Thanks.